Got a fast way to hide cover vinyl blank scratches today. Going to be showing you a permanent way, much better actually than this coming up in the future, but I thought I'd show you this if you needed to, you had company coming. Here's a
Welcome back
fast
to
way.
Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon
Right at the subscribe button.
and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
Pretty gnarly scratches in this vinyl plank flooring. Gonna try, this is a stainless steel polish, see if I have any luck here. Don't have much to lose here. I've got that. It's paper towel. A couple areas that definitely didn't. Seems to lighten them up a little bit. I'm just kind of lightly doing a little swirl. Seems to be working. I don't think it'll be perfect, but it is a little better. Some of these I'm able to get out. This seemed to come out. The polish is a little different because I think it kind of fills in the little voids with almost like I want to say like a little silicone. A little swirl. Yeah, that worked good. Unbelievable. It actually worked. I actually didn't really think it would work as well as it did. Now I need to let it dry and come back later and see, but here's the scratch line right here. I do believe that did the trick. Do a little more. And swirl it in, and it just really covered that. Covered it good. I'll come back in an hour or two, something. I will double check it. Take another look. A little lighter tip here. Looks like this will just work for light scratches. It's a good deal. I thought I might need to replace that flooring, but I don't think so. Just a little polish, and there's actually a floor finish that would work as well and make for vinyl product that will fill that little stuff in. It's like a polymer. But this one for a small spot, small area, actually worked out pretty good. These little scratches. Yep, this is Zep stainless steel. cleaner and polished. Did the trick. There it is. Done deal. Okay, here it is about 2 hours later, and that seemed to do the trick. Worked it out. Now, what would work even better for this in the long run, what I'm going to need to go back through is using a sealer, floor sealer. That will definitely finish it off because it'll fill in the little fine scratches and do it so it's permanent, and also that way the next time someone comes along and cleans it, it doesn't disappear, you know, depending on what chemicals used. So the sealer is a product for this. You know, there's a floor stripper, there's a floor sealer, and the sealer will fill in the little bits of stuff like that. So it's like a polymer or whatever, you know, but that'll do a better job for this, so that'll be the way to go. Just thought I'd show you this one in a pinch. Anyway, it's done deal. A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are, you should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.